front of me is Xiaomi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access calendar. It should be in Google's folder over here. Then click on it and tap on this icon at the bottom right corner. Following that, choose Got It and tap on the mouth above. From here you need to pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now choose event from here and customize it however you feel like it. For example, you can add a title, pick starting hour and ending one. You can also disable this feature by tapping on the switcher next to all day. You can choose does not repeat and select one of those options like every year. I will go with does not repeat though. You can also add people, add video, choose location by tapping on add location, selecting while using the app or only this time in the pop-up, typing in an address and clicking on the correct one. Then you can also set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, add notes, add attachments, and even change color. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to edit it, you need to click on it and choose this pen icon at the top right corner. Now make your changes and just save again. If you wish to delete it though, you need to tap on it one more time, but this time click on those three dots at the top right corner. From here you need to tap on delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!